Creating a Mezzotint long lines effect in Illustrator involves the combination of techniques to achieve the desired result. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Place the pixelated image of the person's face and hair into the document. Select the pixelated image, go to the Effect menu, navigate to Pixelate, and choose "Mezzotint. In the Mezzotint Options dialog, experiment with different settings such as coarse dots, fine dots, or lines to achieve the desired Mezzotint pattern. Click OK once you're satisfied. How many excellent results are in front of you in one click? You must also try it. And now for the best result of this image, we will use Photoshop, where we will also show it on a t-shirt. You can see for yourself how beautiful this image looks now after being pixelated. Not only can we pixelate an image, but we can also pixelate any text as the example I'll show you.